Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painted Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, well, welcome back. So, I have Happy Meal unbagging. All my videos are far behind. I'm sorry. Y'all know I was sick and stuff, and then I got busy, and then with the grandkids and their baseball and so on and so forth. Y'all know the deal. So, I have Happy Mail from Leanne. She lives in Hawaii. Everybody knows Leanne. She's so sweet. She's always sending us, me and Diamond Grandma, Happy Mail, and I'm so thankful for her. She is so sweet. Leanne, we love you, girl. So let me get to it. I'm gonna take the things out of the package. I opened it. I did not look at it. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see it together. Y'all, excuse me if this COVID got me. I have to go see a lung specialist. I think you already know that. I said that on my live last night, but yeah. So I'm short of breath. Sometimes I get short, not all the time. Okay, so the first thing. Yo, oh my God, Leanne, let me fix this camera right here. I'm sorry, y'all. Yo, Leanne got me bookmarks. Oh my God, I love them. Oh my God, I'm just looking at the first one and I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to show y'all these bookmarks. Oh my God, Leanne, this is so cool. I don't get many book related items and I freaking love this. Oh my God. I love it, Leanne. Thank you so much. I didn't even get to the rest of the stuff yet. This is awesome though. I'm going to show y'all some of these bookmarks. Like it's a whole stack. Look. Like a whole bunch, y'all. I think it's like 48. It's a 48 piece bookmark. So I'm going to show y'all some up close. And I can't go through all 48, I don't think. I might be able to. Let's see. So there's that one. Y'all, look how cute. And they're like, they're not paper. I don't know. Y'all can hear that. They're not paper, but they're like, I love this. Leanne, that's so sweet. Sorry, y'all can't see me. Hold on, let me fix this, y'all. I don't know why it keeps falling. That's sweet, Leanne. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think it's because my phone's heavy that this is falling down. It keeps going down. I'm going to keep fixing it, so just excuse it, okay? So, back to the bookmarks. Look at this one, how cute. Oh my God, y'all, Leanne, I love them. Oh my God, look how cute, y'all. And a lot of these are pink flowers. Y'all already know how I feel about pink, and of course purple. But pink is like my go-to. Go-to color is pink. I love it. I love it. I love them. They're so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love them. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. Yo, I love them. 48 books and 48 bookmarks. 48 bookmarks, different bookmarks for 48 books. Look at this one, y'all, how cute. They all cute. I don't even know what to say. They just, I love them. I love them all of them. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look how pretty they are. I love that. I'm trying to see if they have repeated ones. I don't know. But they're so pretty. I don't care. I like them all. Oh, I love them. Oh my God. I could choose one different every day for 48 days. Look how pretty. These are so cute, Leanne. I love it. Oh. Now the problem is going to be, which one do I choose today? which one do I choose today? That's going to be the problem. That's the issue. I love that. Y'all, Leanne, this one's so pretty. Look how pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love that. I love that, y'all. Oh man, they so cute. Isn't that pretty though? Like, I really like this. Leanne, this is so cute. I love it. They're just so stinking cute. Some of them look like they may be duplicates. I don't know. But I really like them. I don't care. I like them. They're so cute. Oh, y'all. So cute. So cute. Jeez Louise. I'm going to show them all to y'all too. Because I'm almost done. So cute. Love them. This one's really, I like this too. I love this. Even that out. This one too. Look how pretty. Yo, it's just so pretty. Oh my goodness. They all just, I don't even know what to say. Like I said, they all so pretty. I love them all. Oh, I love this. Leanne, this is so thoughtful because I really like bookmarks. I mean, you know, any bookish things and diamond painting things, I love it. Love it. Sorry. So I don't know what happened, y'all. Sorry, but I'm back. Oopsie. Love it. My battery's dying. Sorry. I'm not starting this over either, so just saying. I'm not going to start it over. It's just going to keep giving me a battery warning. And it may cut me off for a second, but I'll be back. It's okay. Y'all can still watch it. Because I don't feel like starting over. Because this is a lot of bookmarks. Oh, y'all, that's so pretty. Just so, they all so pretty, Leanne. Thank you so much. I'm just skimming through them real quick because my phone's going to die. I love them so much. And the last one. I love them all. Leanne, thank you so much for these. They're so pretty. Now my decision's going to be hard to see which one I'm going to use. Yeah, so there's that. And then I have this. It says, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us. They walk beside us every day. Oh my God, I am going to cry. Oh my God, Leanne. I thank you so much. I'm sorry. This is so pretty. I don't even know what to say right now. Thank you so much, Leanne. This means a lot to me. It's so pretty and I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love it, y'all. It's so pretty, Leanne. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. Leanne, this is so thoughtful and so beautiful. And the words just mean so much. I love it. I'm sorry. I apologize. Leanne, you just had to, didn't you? I love it. Thank you so much, Leanne. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I love that. I can't even talk. This is some, I can't talk. Washi tape. I use those for my diamond paintings. And these are all so pretty. I love them so much. Y'all take a look at these. These are so pretty. Let me see if I can take the top off. I apologize, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm trying. I really need some. Okay, so now y'all can see them better. Look how pretty this washi tape is. I use those for my diamond paintings to make squares so it's not so overwhelming for me. Look how pretty they are. I love all of these colors and all of the patterns are so cute. I love that. They're so pretty, Leanne. Oh, and they have like the gold foil accents in there. I love that. I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna kind of slant it so y'all can see them. It's so pretty. So pretty. I love them, Leanne. Oh, I love them. And I love washi tape because I always need washi tape. You always run out. Because I square my, like I said, I square my diamond paintings off with that. So we have another, oh God, is this gonna make me cry too? Oh my God, Leanne. Okay, so this is a butterfly, and I'm gonna show y'all before I read it because I won't be able to read it. I mean, I'm gonna show y'all first, and then I'm gonna read it. So look how cute this is. I love this. This is so pretty. I don't know where you find all these things at, girl. Friendship. Friends give hope when life is low. Friends are a place where we can go. Friends are precious, honest, and true. I feel so lucky. My friend is you. Oh, Leanne, that's so pretty. My friend is you too, my girl. Oh, Leanne, I love this so much too. Oh my God, why you gotta do this though? I can't. I can't. You should warn me before. Oh my God, Leanne, this is so beautiful. I love this. Just, y'all, look how cute. The butterfly is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Leanne, the words just mean so much to me. Thank you so much for these wonderful gifts. You really don't have to do this, girl. But you're an amazing person. Just know that. And we love you. I love you, love you, love you. Such a good friend. I don't need you to give me stuff for you to be my friend. You just automatically are my friend. All of you guys are. I just love y'all so much. But y'all do make my heart sing and make me cry. All at the same time. This is one of these. You hang them up. But let me, so I'm just going to show y'all the, oh, it's so cute. Look, it's a pink cowboy hat and some cowboy boots. And it's a, rhinestone light drill. These, y'all know what I'm talking about. Look how pretty the colors are, though. Look at this. Look at these colors. They're so sparkly. I call them rhinestones, but, you know, they're drills, whatever you want to call them. Crystals. Look how pretty. This is going to be cute on there. Oh, my goodness. And so it comes with the, you hang it. I'm not going to do it right this minute, but it comes with the chain and everything. See the 2 holes here. Yo, this is cute. I really like this. And that's like, I like this. That's up my alley. It's country. It's country-ish, you know? It's my type of thing. I love that. I love that so much. Like, yo, man, you gave me so many things that I don't even know what to work on. Look how pretty these rhinestones are. They're so pretty. Oh, I'm trying to show y'all the colors. Look how pretty. I love that, y'all. And these are special, I mean, they're special drills, but look, these are like the marquee shaped. I don't know if y'all can see them because they're all flipped, but they're green, but they're like, they have like an AB type. If y'all can see, they change colors. So pretty. I love that. That's gonna be so cute. Those are really gonna be cute on here. That's a good small project I could work on. It also came with this, as you know. But those, that's so cute. I love all my gifts. Thank you, Leanne, so much for sending me these. It means so much to me that you think of us, like think of me, and all of y'all, it means a lot to me that y'all all think of me in this hard time that I'm going through right now. I really appreciate y'all. I really do. And I hope that y'all all doing good and y'all families are good. I didn't mention that at the beginning like I normally do. I just have a lot going on. And but anyway, thank y'all. Thank you so much, Leanne, and thank y'all for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so, as this helps my channel. Hit the like button, share, follow, you know, do all the YouTube-y things that you normally do. And thank you so much, Leanne. I really appreciate these gifts. Means a lot. Bye, y'all.